Hello everyone, myself Shashank HT from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today we are going to explain about the research methodology. In this topic we know about the meaning of research methodology, what are the objects involved in the research methodology and various steps. First one, research. What is research? A careful investigation or inquiry specializing through the search for new fact in any branch of the knowledge. Next, meaning of research. Research is an endeavor to discover the answer to intellectual and practical problems through the application of systematic method. Research is a systemized effort to gain new knowledge. Research is a careful inquiry to discover the new information or relationship and to expand and to vary the existing knowledge. Research is systematic process of collecting and analyzing the information in order to increase the understanding of the phenomenon which we are concerned or interested. Next one, meaning of research methodology. Research methodology is the way in the which research problems are solved systematically. Research methodology is a science of studying how research is conducted scientifically. Research methodology is used to method that researcher adopt for conducting the research studies. Next one, objective of research. To gain familiarity with a new insight into a phenomenon, to accurately protect the future of particular individual, group or a situation, to analyze the frequency with which something occurs, its association with something else, to examine the hypothesis of causal relationship between the two variables. Next one, what are the steps involved in the research process? Step 1 is define research problem. Step 2 is review of literature. Step 3 is formulate hypothesis. Step 4 is preparing the research design. Step 5 is data collection. Step 6 is data analysis. Last one is interpretation and report writing. First know about the step 1 research problem. Defining a research problem properly and clearly a crucial part of research study. The technique for the purpose involves the undertaking for the following step. Statement of the problems in a general way, understanding the nature of problems, surveying the available literature, developing the ideas through discussion, representing the research problem into a working proposition. Step 2 is literature review. Once the problem is formulated, the researcher should undertake the expensive literature connected with the problem. Why literature review? Assist in refining statement of a problem, strengthening of argument of the selection of a research topic. It helps to get the familiar with various types of methodology that might be used in the study. Step 3 is formulate hypothesis. A hypothesis is a proposed explanation of or an observable phenomenon which is capable being tested by scientific method. For a researcher, hypothesis is a formal question that he instead to resolve. For example, consider a statement: drug is a equal efficient as drug B. This is the hypothesis capable of being objectively verified tested. Hypothesis should be clear, the precise, capable of being tested, limited in simple in terms. Step 4 is research design. A research design is the arrangement for the collection and analyzing the data in a manner that aims to combine relevance to the research purpose with economy in procedure. It is an outline with what researcher will from writing of hypothesis and its operational implication to final analyzing of data. Research design include the blueprint for the collection, measurement and analyzing the data. Step 5 is data collection. The data task of data collection begins after the research problems has been defined and research design talked out. There are two types of data: primary data and secondary data. What is primary data? Primary data are those which are collected afresh and for the first time and therefore to the original in character. Data collection methods are observation, personal interview, question, case study method, survey method, etc. Secondary data are those which have collected by someone else and which have are being passed through the statistical process. Next one, step 6, data analysis. The data analysis is important to answer the research questions and to help determine the trends and relationship among the variables. Data analysis is a procedure of editing, coding and tabulating the data. Last one is interpretation and report writing. Interpretation refers to the task of drawing inference from the collected fact after an analytic and experimental study. Interpretation is the process of making in the sense of numerical data that has been collected, analyzed and presented. Techniques of interpretation: explanation, information, guidance, relevant factor. Next one, layout of research report. Preliminary page, main text. In this main text, introduction, statement of finding and recommendation, results, implication of result, summary, and next end matter.